everyone, and today we are making a game and tutorial of how to make a game that you can move your own character. Yay! So we're going to so we have to go and Scratch, and then we're just going to create. You can wait for it to load, and now it should look like this. So first of all, you need to go on Events. When green flag clicked, then go on Control, Forever Loop. If you don't have this Forever Loop, then you need to press the when green flag clicked, and at the same time, you have to press that key. So it's always good to put Forever Loop. Then put If Then, and then key, that's space, or W, pressed, U, for motion, and change Y by 2. So now when you do it, go up. Right here. You go up. But how to make it go down? So for that, you need to duplicate. Or you can just do the same thing. Then you can go on this. Go on S. Then you can change Y by -2. So you can go up and down. And always remember, in games, you always put go to 0, 0 before the forever loop. Otherwise, it will just continuously go to this position and you can't do anything about it. And now how about we do sideways? For that, we need to go on If Then and key, let's say A is pressed, then go on Motion, and then change X, not Y, X by -2. Then you just, so when you press A, you go this way. And then you do the same thing, but +2, and then you put on D. So you can move around. But how to make your character face? So to the left and right. If you press A, you should look at the right, but it's not. So for that, we need to point. So if you try and point in direction 180, well, I mean -90, it'll go upside down. So we need to go set rotation cell to left and right. So that means you can do this. So put it right in here. And let's get this and put it right here. And then you get another one pointing 90 degrees. Now you can face different ways. Oh, I forgot to name the sprite. Let's call him Player. Fantastic name. I hope this tutorial helped for you. And if it did, smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.